Patriot Discussions with you here today, guys. Fixing to go out and do an audit. The Orange County Courthouse, Clerk's Office. Showing you here the 38th volume of Corpus Juris, which was an original sort of like encyclopedia of law. And here it's talking about marriage under the definition of nature. And not a lot of people realize that marriage is a contract. It's a contract that evolves into a status. Not many people know this, or even understand it, what it implies, what it means. I'm going to go over a little bit of the book here so you can read it, and I'll let you form your own opinions on what it all means. Okay, it says it's especially a status or personal relation in which the state is deeply concerned and over which the state exercises a jealous and exclusive dominion. Now I'm going to go back here to the footnotes for the contract, and we're going to read a little bit about that. Here we are over here. See if you could, trying to bring this into focus. There we go. This last one that I have highlighted, it's probably the most important for us to understand. It says, marriage is the basis of the family, and its dissolution as well as its formation is a matter of public policy in which the body of the community is deeply interested. How many of you folks realize that the community was deeply interested and involved in your marriage? Probably not a lot of people. So today we are going to visit with these people. And this is an old book, don't get me wrong. This is Corpus Juris. I think this book came out in 1925. Let me show you here. I've brought up online. Hopefully this will pull into focus. Go into Google, type in civil marriage is a sui generis contract. And you'll see some information there that you can go. We'll go to this Penn Law thing here. Okay, let's get it right up in here. Okay, here's the important part right here. It differs from other contracts in this, that the rights, obligations, or duties arising from it are not left entirely to be regulated by the agreements of the parties, that's you and your spouse, but are to a certain extent matters of municipal regulation over which the parties have no control by any declaration of their will. Okay, the marriage contract is actually the strongest contract the state has over its citizens. Again, today we're going to the Orange County Clerk, and we're going to ask if there was full disclosure of these facts of the civil marriage before they told folks that they definitely had to have a marriage license. Okay? Should be fun. Let's go, guys. Back on the move again. This is the Orange County Apopka Service Center. So today I'm going in looking for information on the marriage license. The contract that is the marriage license. Alright, we'll look through.
Dissolution of marriage. Each has a specific set of requirements. File simplified dissolution of marriage, dissolution of marriage with no children, dissolution of marriage with no children, dissolution of marriage with children. While coming to the downtown courthouse, visit the family law section of our website, myorangecourt.com. View the requirements to determine which option best fits your needs. You have hired an attorney. He or she is responsible for filing your case. From the clerk's office at room 320 of the courthouse. Once you complete the forms, you must take note of the family court case management located in room 330 of the courthouse. Register and have your paperwork stamped with you. The Ninth Circuit Family Court Case Management Office is a court-based program designed to assist self-represented parties in specific matters. Closely together, this office is not affiliated with the court. After the registration and review step, you must take your paperwork to room 320 of the courthouse to provide a hearing. In some instances, you may also file a self-license. The fee to file a dissolution of marriage case is $408 and can be paid by cash, personal check, money order, or money.
I don't see anything in here about it being a contract. Excuse me, sir. The marriage license, where does that get filed at?
You can file it here.
At this office?
You are served with a petition of dissolution as a respondent. You have 20 calendar days for the petition.
Ma'am, I was looking over this marriage license, and I was wondering if there's more information, perhaps. It doesn't say anything about the contract between the state and me and my spouse.
What contract are you looking for?
Well, I brought an example for you to look over.
I don't know what this is for.
Did you bring envelopes?
The civil marriage is looked at as a
It's a in marriage is a contract until you get a divorce.
well, right,
That's
but
what you're looking for. Yeah, it's a contract.
well, right.
You want to look at it that way. Yeah.
Well, no, it's the way the state looks at it that I'm interested in. Is there any kind of paperwork, or do you notify the citizens of the contract with the state?
No, it gets reported. We go ahead and record it in our system, and then it will look like a marriage license was issued, yeah. The state will be notified, yes.
Okay.
But no,
Is there any other way to get married in the state without a marriage license?
no,
No.
such a thing, no. Not that I'm aware of, but I'm not an attorney.
Right.
So, yeah, they have what is called a common law, but you still have to file the paperwork though.
Okay.
That gets recorded though.
Where do you file that paperwork at?
Let's see. We haven't done one of those in.
Where did I put the name?
That's what you want a common law, which you can get into your insurance and all that? Or
Well, no, I just don't want the state as a party to my marriage contract. The state becomes a party to the marriage contract. That's how they regulate with the family law court and stuff like that.
Yeah, even with the common law, the state is gonna be involved because you're a resident of the state of Florida, so that's not gonna help you. You really need to consult with an attorney then. We have an attorney here, well, right there. You can make an appointment with him or her. I don't know who's there today. You can talk to them about it.
Okay.
So really, yeah.
All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Senate also provides that roll call.
Hello, ma'am. Lady across the way sent me over. She said I need to make an appointment for an attorney. I was talking to her about the marriage license.
No, that's not here.
She said you have an attorney here.
No, that's not in here.
That's not in this one. Do you know which one she's talking about?
During the week, they have a desk out there where there's somebody at the desk.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is the work office for one of the children.
All right, sorry. This must be the desk here. Sir, is the gentleman not here, or whoever not here today?
So they're actually at lunch. They're usually at lunch from 12 to 1.
Oh, okay.
All right.
All right. Thank you. That's the legal aid office. Yes, these are the courtrooms in the court in session today. No rat tail combs are allowed. What even is that? What is that?
Now serving ticket number T128 at window number 2.
Alright guys, there we have it. They don't inform the citizen that it is indeed a contract with the state. She said you can look at it that way. I have to look at it that way when that's what the state looks at in order to enforce some of its laws against us. How it gets in and regulates our marriages, our divorces, our property, and a lot of other stuff. Alright, on to the next spot.